Good day, everyone. I want to talk to you today about the power of belief and how it can help you create your own reality. Our beliefs shape our thoughts, actions, and ultimately, our lives. If we believe that we are capable of achieving our goals, then we are more likely to take the necessary steps to make them a reality. On the other hand, if we believe that we are not capable of achieving our goals, then we are more likely to give up before we even try. This is why it is so important to cultivate a positive mindset and to believe in ourselves. One way to do this is to focus on our strengths and to build upon them. We all have unique talents and abilities that we can use to achieve our goals. By focusing on what we are good at and working to improve upon those skills, we can build our confidence and increase our chances of success. Another way to cultivate a positive mindset is to surround ourselves with positive people. The people we spend time with can have a huge impact on our beliefs and attitudes. If we surround ourselves with supportive and encouraging people, we are more likely to believe in ourselves and our abilities. Finally, it is important to remember that belief alone is not enough. We must also take action to make our goals a reality. This may require stepping out of our comfort zones and taking risks. But with a positive mindset and a strong belief in ourselves, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. In conclusion, the power of belief is a powerful force that can help us create our own reality. By cultivating a positive mindset, focusing on our strengths, surrounding ourselves with positive people, and taking action towards our goals, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. Remember, your thoughts become your reality, so believe in yourself and the possibilities that lie ahead.